Okay, so today we're going to start work on our research project. The first thing that we need to do when we're starting our research project is learn how to research. So once we get on our computers, we want to open up a Microsoft Word document. We're going to use this as our annotated bibliography. Now we're going to go back and forth to this as we go along. We're going to use this to keep track of our sources as well as take notes to be able to understand what we're working with. So we'll leave that closed for now and then open up your internet. Some people use Internet Explorer. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this. Once you're online, you want to go to the website bullardlibrary.info. We're not going to use Google or any typical search engines for this. We're going to use academic search engines that we can find using our Bullard library. We'll scroll down here where we can find Gale World History and Context. And you'll just type in your topic there. Today our topic will be terrorism. Search for that, and whatever you search for, it should take you to a page like this where we've got a lot of different options. So over here you have reference, images, primary sources, academic journals, news, magazines, case overview, videos, and audio. So there's things there for every kind of source that we're looking for. Today we're going to work with primary sources. And then the first one that pops up is the psychology of terrorism. So let's take a look at this one. And when we're building our annotated bibliography, what's important is we need to go straight to the bottom here where we find the source citation. This here we will select, and then you press Control-C to copy. And you can flip between programs by pressing Alt-Tab. And that'll bring up your Word document where we've got our annotated bibliography. And so let's go ahead and press Control-V to paste that information back in there. This is just the start of our annotated bibliography. So we've got the bibliographical information there. And again, Alt-Tab to return to our search engine. And we'll go back up to the top and look for some general information. That's a good place to start is the introduction. So here we can read, it is Clark Macaulay's opinion that terrorists are not crazy nor suicidal. The vast majority, more than 90% of all terrorists are perfectly normal, psychologically speaking. He assumes that individual citizens may be drawn to terrorist activities when they feel that a cherished group is threatened. Okay, so that has given us a very quick overview of the document. So we'll scroll back by pressing Alt-Tab. We'll go back to our annotated bibliography, and here's where we leave some notes about what that article is speaking on. So the general gist is that terrorists are not clinically insane. They are fighting for something they believe to be worthwhile. And that is just the start of our annotated bibliography. If we press Alt-Tab to go back, we could do further research. We could go back here into academic journals, news, magazines, case overviews. But just remember to make sure with your annotated bibliography you keep the bibliographical information and then write a few notes to yourself so you can remember how to use that document.